Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to disable the high contrast mode on this device. So in this device, I already enabled the high contrast mode. Now you can see black yellow theme is here in this device. Okay, so let me show you how to disable this one. If you go to let me show you the keyboard. You can see. Okay, so let me show you how to disable this high contrast mode. Simply go to settings and tap on the option accessibility. Then here you can see the option vision enhancement. Tap on the option vision enhancement. Now here you can see the first option high contrast theme. Tap on this one. So now the yellow theme is selected and now you can select the blue theme also. So now let me show you how to disable this one. Select the option none. To disable the high contrast theme, you need to select the option none. So then the default theme will applied on this device. You can see. So simply in this way we can disable the high contrast mode on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.